if you've already installed IPTV Smarters Pro on your smart TV, but you're stuck trying to figure out how to actually add your playlist, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to add your IPTV playlist on Smarters Pro for your TCL TV. Step 1. Open IPTV Smarters Pro. First, go ahead and open the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your smart TV. Once it loads, you'll be taken to the main login screen. Here, you'll usually see a few different options to log in, but the one you want to focus on is Login with Extreme Codes API. Step 2. Choose Login Method. Most IPTV providers will give you one of two things, either an M3 URL playlist or Extreme Codes login details. If your provider gave you a username, password, and server URL, choose Login with Extreme Codes API. If they gave you a long M3 link, choose Load Your Playlist or File/URL. Step 3. Enter your IPTV details. Let's start with the most common option, Extreme Codes. You'll need to enter any name for your playlist, your username, your password, and the server URL. Make sure everything is typed exactly as provided. Even a small mistake can prevent it from working. Once everything is entered, click Add User. Step 4. Wait for channels to load after you log in. The app will begin downloading your channels, movies, and TV shows. This might take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed and provider. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Step 5. Start watching from here. You can choose Live TV, Movies, or Series. Just select what you want and start watching. That's it. Your IPTV playlist is now successfully added to Smarters Pro on your smart TV. If your playlist doesn't load, here are a few quick things to check. Double-check your login details, make sure your subscription is active, and confirm your internet connection is working. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more simple smart TV tips like this.